Unlock the secrets to successfully using a vanilla Visa gift card on eBay, navigating potential restrictions by registering the card online and understanding payment procedures. First things first, to ensure a smooth transaction and avoid any hiccups, you'll want to register your vanilla Visa gift card online. This step is crucial because many online merchants, including eBay, require a billing address for verification purposes. Head over to the Vanilla Visa gift card website, which you can usually find printed on the back of the card itself, or easily with a quick search. Look for a link to register your card or update your information. You'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, along with your name and billing address. Once your card is registered, you're ready to shop on eBay. Find the item you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. When you reach the payment section, select the option to pay with a credit or debit card. Now, carefully enter your vanilla Visa gift card details. This includes the card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back of the card for the billing address. Use the exact address you registered your card with on the Vanilla Visa website. After entering all the information, review your order details one last time and then confirm your purchase. If your gift card has sufficient funds and the details are entered correctly, your transaction should go through without a hitch, allowing you to bid on and purchase items seamlessly.